The Two Birds. Once upon a time, there were two birds who were brothers, living in the same nest in a large tree. The birds had taken great care in creating the nest, and it was large and very beautiful. One day, a small hole appeared in the nest. The older bird thought, "My younger brother will repair the hole for sure." Likewise, the younger bird thought, "My older brother will repair the hole for sure." And so the hole remained and was never repaired. One day, a strong wind shook the nest, making the hole larger than before. The younger bird thought, "My older brother wouldn't let our nest get a hole this big." While the older bird thought, "My younger brother wouldn't stand to live in such a run-down nest. He will find a way to repair it for sure." In the end, neither bird repaired the nest. When winter came, there was a large storm, which completely destroyed the nest with ease. The two birds could not take the winter weather and eventually died of the cold. Take care of problems yourself. Don't wait for others to come and help you.